Hello children, myself Ishwar Chand Balichwal welcomes all of you. Today we are continuing our chapter 11th, Mensuration. Now today we learn volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. This is very useful topic, so watch this video up to the end, then you understand better and you can use this knowledge to solve the problems of exercise. Okay, so we start. Amount of space occupied by a three-dimension object is called its volume. Okay, we use cubic units for it. That means how much space a object is occupied is our volume. Okay, and the unit of this volume is cubic units, that is centimeter cube, meter cube, etc. Now we learn what is the meaning of 1 cubic centimeter. Cubic means 3 dimension. So 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Why? Because cube having all sides are equal. All 3 dimensions are equal. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So it is 1 centimeter cube. If the dimensions are in meter, so 1 cubic meter is 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. That is 1 meter cube. Okay. Now we learn cuboid. Volume of cuboid is equal to product of length, breadth and height. These are the 3 dimensions. Okay, so this is like that. Volume equals L into B into H, cubic units. Okay, so volume of cuboid, and this can be expressed as this L into B is area of base and this H is height. So volume of cuboid can be expressed as area of base into height. Okay, now we learn the cube. The cube is a special case of cuboid where L equals B equals H, that is all 3 dimensions are equal, then the cuboid become cube. Okay, so the volume of cube is L into L into L because the value of L, B and H are L, L, L. So this become L cube. Okay. Now cylinder. Volume of cylinder equals pi r square into H. Why? Because volume of cylinder is area of base into height, and the area of base is pi r square because the base of cylinder is circular. So area of circular is pi r square and the height of cylinder is H, so pi r square into H. So the volume of cylinder is given by pi r square H. So this way we can express the volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Okay. Now we learn volume and capacity. What are the main difference in between volume and capacity? So first we learn volume. Volume refers to the amount of space occupied by an object. Okay. But capacity refers to the quantity that a containers hold. Means this is a space and this is in the form of quantity. This is the main difference. Now we more clear this thing. 1 milliliter, this is the quantity, and 1 centimeter cube is the volume. So this is the volume and this is the capacity, but both are the same. but only the way of expressing is different. Here this is in the form of quantity and this is in the form of occupied space. So 1 milliliter is just equal to 1 centimeter cube. If we take a container of all three dimensions are 1 centimeter, then it is called 1 centimeter cube, and any liquid can accommodate in or solid accommodate in 1 centimeter cube is 1 ml. 1 liter, that is 1000 centimeter cube, because 1 ml is 1 centimeter cube and 1 liter 1000 ml, so this is 1000 centimeter cube. So 1 meter cube is here is the 100,000 centimeter cube, because 1 meter cube means 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter, or 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. In 100 there is 2 0. So here is the 6 0, because 100 power 3, that is 6. So, but 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. So this is 1 liter. So this rest of the 3 zeros, that is 1000 liter. So this way we can convert this. If we divide this by this 1000, we get 1000 liter. Okay. So this way we can found. Now we take some example. So these all points are clear more easily. The example: find the height of a cuboid whose volume is 275 centimeter cube. Volume is provided to us and base area is 25 centimeter also provided. So first we express the given thing. Volume of cuboid is 275 centimeter cube. Base area is 25 centimeter square. But we know volume of a cuboid is equal to base area into height. So this is the base area and we assume the height and we have to calculate. So height equal to volume of a cuboid divided by base area. So this is the main formula. Comes height of the cuboid is equal to volume of cuboid divided by base area, because this is the volume of cuboid and by cross multiplication this base area goes to in denominator. So this become volume of cuboid upon base area. Now the volume of cuboid is 275 centimeter cube here and base area is 25 centimeter square is here. So this cancels this and by dividing this we get 11 centimeter. Hence height of cuboid is 11 centimeter. Now we take another example. A godown is in the form of a cuboid of measures 60 meter into 40 meter into 30 meter. How many cuboidal boxes can be stored in it? If the volume of one box is 0.8 meter, that is, we have provided that the cuboidal box, one cuboidal box has the volume 0.8 meter cube, and we have to found how many such type of cuboidal box can be stored in this godown. This is the measurement of godown. So with the help of these measurement, first of all we have to found the volume of godown and divide this by this volume of box. Then we have to found the number of box can be accommodated. So we start by the given things. Given volume of one box is 0.8 meter cube from here, and volume of godown is 60 meter into 40 meter into 30 meter, L into B into H, and this comes 72,000 meter cube. But the volume is in this form is more beneficial because easily cancel out. But if we convert this, then we have some problem. So we write here in the both the form, but first we found the formula. Number of box can be stored in godown is given by volume of the godown divided by the volume of one box. Okay, so put the value. Volume of the godown is this, put the value, this into this into this, and this 0.8 we remove the decimal and put 0 here, 10 here. Okay, now after removing the decimal we cut different quantities like this. This is divided by 4 10 times, and this is divided by 4 2 times, and by dividing this 2 1 time, this also 30 times. Now multiply 0 0 0 0, these are 4 0, and 3 into 3 9. So this way we can get easily this value. Okay, so 90,000 boxes can be stored in godown. So this is our solution of this problem. Now we take one more example. A rectangular paper of width 14 centimeter is rolled along its width. We have provided paper whose width is 14 centimeter, and by rolled along its width and cylinder of radius 20 centimeter is formed. Okay, find the volume of cylinder. So now we discuss how the cylinder is formed. A cylinder is formed by rolling a rectangle about its width. Hence the width of the paper becomes height, and radius of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. We have provided the radius 20 centimeter. So here is the radius 20 centimeter. But first we learn how this 14 centimeter play the role. Here is the rectangular paper of width 14 centimeter. This is the width of paper, and this is the rectangular paper. Now we have provided that it is rolled along its width. This is the width, and rolled along this. So this width becomes the height of this cylinder, and this rolled, and this dimension formed the periphery of this cylinder, that is circumference of this cylinder. Okay, how? So what are the dimension we got by this? Height of cylinder is h. How it form? This width become the height of this cylinder. Okay, reversely we can learn this. If we cut this cylinder here and spread, then we get this as the circumference, and this height become the width of paper. Okay, so converse of this, when we rolled this is formed, and this 14 centimeter is the height of this. Okay, so height of cylinder is 14 centimeter, and this 20 centimeter is already provided us that this is the radius. Okay, so both the dimension are here. Now volume of the cylinder is given by pi r square h. So put the values. Pi 22 by 7, r we have 20, so 20 into 20 is the r square, and h we have 14. Okay, and this 14 divide by 7 2 times, so 7 is cancelled, and here is the 2. Now multiply all these. Okay, these 2 0 are here, and 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. 8 into 22 is 176. Okay, so this 17600 centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder. Hence volume of the cylinder is 17600 centimeter cube. Now we take one more example to clear the things. A rectangular piece of paper 11 centimeter into 4 centimeter is folded without overlapping. Okay, to make a cylinder of height 4 centimeter. How? This 4 centimeter width become the height of cylinder. That is, we fold this paper along the width. Okay. Find the volume of cylinder. Length of the paper becomes the perimeter of the base of the cylinder, and width become height. as in previous problem. So let radius of the cylinder is r and height is h. So perimeter of the base of the cylinder is 2 pi r, and this become the perimeter. So 2 pi r equal to 11. Okay, so put the value 2. This is the pi, and r, let the radius of the cylinder is r. So this whole become 11. So by cross multiplication, this 2 and 22 is in the downside, that is in the denominator, and this 7 is in the numerator. So by dividing this 11, 22 2 times, so this is 7 and 2 into 2, 4. So 7 by 4 is the radius. Okay. So put the values in the formula. Volume of the cylinder is V is given by pi r square h, and here is the value of r, 7 by 4 centimeter. Okay, and h is the height is the 4 centimeter. So put the value pi 22 by 7, r 7 by 4, 7 by 4 2 times. Okay, and this 4 is h. Here this 7 cancel by this 7, this 4 is cancelled by this 4. Okay, and this 22 divide by 2 11 times, and this 4 divide by 2 2 times. Okay, so 11 into 7 77, and this 2 here. So 77 by 2 centimeter cube is the value of volume. By dividing this we get 38.5. Hence the volume of the cylinder is 38.5 centimeter cube. Okay, so this way you can solve all the problems of the mensuration, that is volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. So learn this well and solve the problem. Okay, this is the homework for today. Have a nice day. Thanks.